Hey y'all. How y'all doing?
Hey, hey, how y'all doing?
Hey y'all, I hope y'all are doing lovely on this Sunday afternoon as I come to y'all with great news. Now, before I start, I hope you guys are taking me serious and you're not just paying attention to my eye patches and the little acne star that I have right here, because I come here today with good news, great news, lovely news, nothing but positivity. No excuses, no apologies. I know that you guys are probably mad at me, but I also know that you guys love me a lot. If not, y'all love me enough to forgive me. I took a break, y'all. That's all what it is. That's all what it was. I did that because it was essential to me. It was highly necessary as it was for my own good. Yeah, so I took a break. What I did, it was essential to me. It was highly necessary as it was for my own good, and for anyone in general, I just want to say don't be afraid to just fall back a little, recoup, then continue your journey. Sometimes it be like that. It's not all the time that you're just gonna have the energy to go through, pull through, do the relay and finish it at once. Sometimes you get discouraged, sometimes you lose interest. Sometimes life happens, So yeah, that's my bit, that's my take. I am not here to say, oh, I'm coming back with a bang. I'm not here to say, oh, don't give up on me. I'm not here to say, oh, this, that, and the third. I'm just here to say that I took a break that I really needed, that I felt like was super essential, and it worked for me. I am now coming back more content with the pure positivity and more leverage to give y'all entertainment in quality and quantity. So moving forward, I am going to start posting twice a week. No, for you raggedy in the back, whether it's male or female, talking about some, oh girl, you couldn't even post once weekly to save your life. How is that going to be possible? Shut your up, because I have a plan. I have a solution. The gag is I am going to be breaking down my videos into two sections. Section 1 is gonna be called Modish Mondays. Section 2 is gonna be called Fervent Fridays. Now with that being said, y'all know that I have this all figured out. Y'all know that I have this planned down to the T.
Cap.
With the Modish Mondays, I want to do those in the form of reels. So it's gonna be super short, super spicy, super amusing, being that it's gonna be up to what? 60 seconds, I think, which is just in 1 minute. And in that, I am going to be doing something trendy, then giving my feedback. Something quite like unpopular opinion. For example, I've been with the TikTok girlies a lot, so I've been on TikTok shops. I've been doing TikTok stuff and all of that, so I definitely have some Modish Monday videos already for y'all, because I have stuff. Like I said, I do TikTok shopping, and like my new favorite app right now is TikTok, y'all. And I kid you not, it's crazy how I get distracted by it so much. But chef kiss with TikTok, the girlies are always sending you to buy this, buy that, to see if it works out or whatever. Perfect example, I've been seeing these on TikTok shop a lot, and I said it to one of my girls and they were like, hey, I'm gonna get it for you. So I can even do like a review on this if y'all want. Also, recently the girlies have been talking about eating ice cream, vanilla ice cream with olive oil and salt. Like there's a lot of unpopular opinion aesthetics / vibes on TikTok that I can work with, as well as the TikTok girlies send me to get cluster lashes. Like tell me these are not fusion. Tell me you're not wearing fusion without telling me you are not wearing fusion. So yeah, can be on the trend. I'm definitely down for Modish Mondays, as it's cool with me, because like I said, the patches, the lashes that I bought, perfume, the girlies sent me to get a lot of stuff, and some of those stuff I feel like I want to talk about, but I don't want it to be on based off my aesthetic, you know. So it would complement better if it was done on Modish Mondays, or even in the public in general. So that is what my Modish Monday is gonna be based off of. So it's not gonna be boring. So it's gonna be something that's trendy. Period. As to my Fervent Fridays, that's strictly gonna be my aesthetic. As y'all know, I do videos on my lifestyle, beauty, tips, and tricks. So with that, it's just going to be me expounding on Fridays. I want to start those for the month of April, because the starting of April, it begins on a Monday. So I just want to start with a new month, new energy, new vision, and fresh creativity, you know. So I'm coming to y'all on April 1st, which is gonna be Modish Mondays. Then I'm gonna come to y'all the Friday of that week, which is gonna be Fervent Friday, and that is how I'm going to continue moving forward on my channel. So yeah, I think I'm gonna upload this video the last day of March. Yeah, so today is March 1. Today is March 7th, Thursday, March 7th. I'm definitely going to be uploading this the ending of March, so I can start the Monday, which is the 1st of April. So I will be uploading this on a Sunday. Look at that. Oh, spiritual day. Get with the times, get with the vibes. If y'all want to say, if y'all giving me another chance, please go ahead and do so. If not, and y'all are like my A1s, my day ones, and you're like, girl, I'm all here for it, keep your post notification on, because I am most definitely going to be standing on business. Period. But yeah, I took a break, I recouped, and I think that I am refreshed and fully ready to continue my journey. So if y'all still rock with me, if y'all still want to be a part of my YouTube family, I suggest that you continue showing me the love, continue showing me the support, as I'll feed off your positive energy. So yeah, that's it from me. Keeping it short, keeping it cute, keeping it sweet. See y'all every Monday, which is Modish Monday. See y'all every Friday, which is Fervent Friday. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.